And running kimono here. So we have a midweek haul, some freebies, cheapies over at Walgreens. And then at Rite Aid, I actually got that whole basket for like $1.50, which isn't bad because it's like $30 of merchandise. So not a bad little midweek haul. This is going to be a very quick video, a little weather report, because I know a lot of you love the weather report. So it is a nice day out here. It is like about 70 degrees. And hi to my mom if she's watching. Okay, the first store that we're at is Walgreens. Now this was unmarked clearance at my store. It's this little No7 foaming cleaner for oily skin. And I actually do have oily skin, so this is right up my alley. So it was unmarked clearance, and the first one is going to ring up for $4.49. You need to grab two. It's on a buy one, get one 40% off, and even with the clearance, it's ringing up 40% off. So for two of them, it's $7.18. Roll some bonus cash or pay that $7.18 out of pocket. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying two. So it makes it $2.18 for the two, or $1.09 per No7 wash. Special shout out and thank you to TikToker Graceful Deals. She was showing this deal a couple days ago, and it is right on the money for some very inexpensive No7. Next product that we have is the Kinder Light. So it's an electrolyte drink for little kids if they're dealing with a cold or flu, or they're just really under the weather. So this was at my store on clearance for the longest time, but the IBOTTA rebate vanished. Look at the very top. It's etched in the best by date. I know a lot of people have been buying this stuff that's expired, but double, triple check that. Because you don't want to buy something that's really expired. So here's the deal. Grabbing one of these on clearance for 80 cents. IBOTTA's giving back a very generous dollar back, so it makes it free plus a 20-cent moneymaker. And the limit for me was up to 5. So if you can line this thing up perfectly, by all means, go for it. And I was very lucky to find 3 on clearance at my store. Another deal that I did stock up on, and this is a deal I think everyone should do, because I certainly use a lot of these like Ziploc bags or whatever you want to call them. But the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, these are on a buy one, get one free promotion. So you'll pay $2.99 for the first, get the second one for free. It's basically like $1.49 for a 20 count of these bags. Very comparable to Ziploc or Glad. It's a really nice bag. If you're a home cook, you're going to use these. I also found this guy on clearance for $3.99. A whole bunch of this really cute Pride stuff. So cheap. I used a store coupon to buy myself this really cute water travel mug, and I really like it. I've looked at it about 6 times in the store. If you want to see some other clearance find I've been seeing where I live, definitely check out this video I posted yesterday. That frozen food, I think a lot of us are watching like a hawk, especially with inflation and all the crazy food prices right now. When that stuff hits 75 or 90, I think a lot of us will be heading out to Walgreens. When it will hit that price point is still unknown. Definitely Tuesdays or Saturdays are days to go and check those tags if they have dropped. Okay, now we're back at Rite Aid, and I always say, I'm done with that store, and then I'm there. So I guess I'm either a liar or something else. I don't know, but I'm always there. This is what I got in my haul. For You by Kotex, 2 double packs of the Colgate, a clearance paper towel, and 1 Snickers bar to get my basket right to $30. This home mailer coupon, which is a 6 off of 30, and I had 2 4 off of 2 coupons from a recent insert. I think it was a Smart Source. So I was able to utilize 2 of these to save $8. Just to show you some of the tags. So it's either the boxes or the plastic bags of the You by Kotex. Buy one, get one 50% off, and you get $3 back when you buy 2. But I think this is double dipping. I don't know all the specifics, but boom, here it is. And I bought both the plastic and the paper box ones, and it worked on both, just to note that. And I found some clearance by this company called Emerald. I think it was like 75% off. I got some napkins for $1.79, I think. A huge thing, like 500 of them for $1.79. A really good price point. Anywho, this is my basket. 4 of the Kotexes is $14.21 on a BOGO 50% off. 2 of the double packs of the Colgate is $13.98. 1 candy bar for 99 cents and 1 napkin for $1.79 for a total of $30.97. The 6 off of 30 Rite Aid coupon came off, along with my 2 4 off of 2 manufacturers. So I paid $16.97. I basically rolled some bonus cash, and then I got back $13 in bonus cash. I believe the You by Kotex and the Colgate are double dipping, so I got a little bit extra there. Coupons.com app gave me an extra $1 for the Colgate purchase and then $1.50 back for the Kotex purchase from the Fetch Rewards app. So after everything is said and done, it was like $1 and some change for this basket. Not the worst thing. I needed to roll some bonus cash, so this was my little haul for today. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!